Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from amandacrochets.com, and in today's video I'm going to be doing another unboxing, and this is going to be the Knitcrate August 2021 Knit Crate. So let's jump right in. For this month's Knit Crate, we received 2 skeins of the same color of yarn, and we also have a little extra, and instead of the booklet we have a little leaflet to tell you all about the yarn. So let's jump right into this right away. This is just something that says be happy, and this is actually a magnetic bookmark, and you can just open it up and just put it on the top of your pages to keep your place in your book or your planner. I'm definitely going to be using this for my planner, so that it's going to be very handy. And for the August theme, the theme is Indulge. This month's Indulge theme is all about treating yourself to the luxurious yarn that you deserve so that you can immerse yourself in squishy fiber decadence. Our designs this month are the perfect mix of sophisticated and comfortable that are sure to fly off your needles and hooks. Take the time to spoil yourself and engage in some self-care, because you're worth it. And what better way to indulge than with a few new skeins of yarn. So they mentioned 2 different clubs, and they have the Knit and Crochet Club and the Sock Knit and Crochet Club. Now I am a part of the Knit and Crochet Club, and the yarn that we got is the Aldine Wools Mellow, and it is 80% alpaca, 20% tencel, 125 yards or 114 meters, 100 grams, and it is a bulky weight yarn. Now, because they don't have the booklet, they do have this little leaflet where it shows you some of the patterns. Unfortunately, you can't see them all very well, so I will take the time and show you on my phone in a few minutes. But this is just what some of the patterns look like, and I wish they would have the booklet, but again, as I mentioned in the previous unboxing video with Knitcrate, Knitcrate has been having a lot of shipping issues, and they are trying to get the yarn out as quickly as they can to make everybody happy and keep up with their yarn subscriptions. Now, this is not a knock on the company, because they are very, very nice. Their customer service is very helpful and nice, and I would still highly recommend them. It's definitely fun to try and get some new yarns that you've never tried before. I've never really tried this type of yarn before. I've always just gone to the big box stores like Walmart or Michael's or Joann's and purchased my yarn there, but I've never had more of this natural fiber yarn. So if you are interested in trying that out, I would definitely say try the Knitcrate subscription out. And I have more information about the Knitcrate service in the description box below this video, and if you just click on my affiliate link, then you will just be taken straight to the Knitcrate website, and you will receive some money off of your first subscription box. So if you're looking to try it out just one time, you can save a little bit of money while also trying out and getting some brand new yarn. So I got 2 skeins of this very nice blue, and again, it's the Aldine Wools Mellow, and it's exclusive by Knitcrate. And the color I got is Cordial, and I already mentioned all the specs again, and the specs are the 80% alpaca, 20% tencel. Again, it's a bulky weight, and this is hand wash gently, dry flat. Now, with this yarn, I really like that they included a bulky yarn this time. I feel like the last couple of yarns, it's either been a thinner number 3 weight or a worsted weight yarn. So I'm really happy that this is a little bit more on the bulky side. And it's very, very soft and squishy. Let me see if I can get right up to the camera and show you those colors. So it has that blue color, it has a little bit of a brown tone, I guess, to it, or maybe a purple. Very, very pretty color. like I said, it's very soft and squishy, and you can also see that alpaca sticking out. Now this is definitely not something that would scratch you, even if you see those little alpaca hairs. It's very forgiving, and it's very, I don't know, just squishy and very soft, and I can definitely see myself making a hat with this, or maybe a scarf. Definitely something that is going to keep me warm for the upcoming cooler months, and I really like this color a lot. I wish I can get some more of this color. Maybe I'll have to go on their website and buy more skeins of this, but this is just, I am absolutely in love with this color, so very, very happy. So if we move on to the patterns, let me just see if I can zoom up a little bit for you. So this is what their booklet looks like, and again, it's Knitcrate Inspirations, and the theme is Indulge. They give you a little bit of information about what's inside, and this is their theme inspiration. So you see all the photos and the colors that they put together to make the yarn this month. And again, this is the Knit and Crochet Club from Knitcrate, and it's the Audine Wools Mellow. And you have 2 colors to choose from this month. So you either get that cordial blue color like I got, or you get mimosa, which is kind of like a tanny color. And then if you're part of the sock club, then you get the Audine Wools Indulgence Sock, and you get 1 skein of each of these 3 colors, which is Rose Tinted Glasses, Spa Day, or Bask in the Glow. All are very pretty colors as well. And here are some patterns. So the Knit and Crochet Club, you get 1 knit pattern and 1 crochet pattern. In the sock club, you get 1 knit and 1 crochet pattern as well. All 4 of these patterns are included in the booklet. So here's another shot of that cowl. This is the Confluence knit cowl. And I wish I can knit a lot better, because that cable on that cowl is absolutely beautiful. Maybe I'll have to put it in one of my future projects once I learn to crochet, or once I learn how to knit a little bit better. And this is the Low Leg Warmers, which is a crochet pattern. And as you can see, this is what the pattern looks like. And you can definitely make this in many different sizes. As you can see here, they give you a whole bunch of different sizes, so you can either have a tighter or a looser fit. And then that's what one of the sock patterns looks like, the knit one. And this is the crochet sock. And then at the end of the booklet, you get a sneak peek at the next theme. So the theme for September is Night of the Living Yarn. So kind of looks like it's more going along the ways of Halloween, which I am super excited for. So those are the photos for the next theme. So I cannot wait until I see what the yarns look like. So this is what is included with the August 2021 Knit Crate, and like I said, you get 2 skeins of 1 color, and I'm really happy that I got this color. I thought it was very pretty, and I cannot wait to make something with this for myself. I never really make anything for myself, so I definitely will use this yarn specifically for myself. So I wish they had a booklet. Like I said, in the last month Knit Crate, I wish they had a booklet, so hopefully that booklet comes back for September, but at least I'm still able to download the patterns and use them if I wish. I'm not a huge fan of leg warmers, so I probably won't be using that pattern. I think the pattern is very nice, but it's just not something that I personally wear. I really like that knit cowl, but again, I have to learn how to knit a lot better than I do. I'm still a very new knitter, so because of that, I'm probably not able to make that cowl just yet. But I'm really happy with this month's Knit Crate, and I cannot wait until September's Knit Crate when I see that more Halloween spooky theme. So again, if you are interested in checking out Knit Crate and want to check out the first month subscription, I have a link below where you will get 20% off your first Knit Crate purchase, and you can cancel it anytime. You can just use the one Knit Crate subscription. It's totally up to you. And if you go on their website, you can kind of see what the theme is and kind of look at the different yarns that they have available. So thank you so much for joining me today on the Knit Crate unboxing. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I hope you give Knit Crate a try. Now it's time to like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, happy crocheting! Bye!